Hello everyone. Lesson number 1 here in using Photoshop. We're going to look at Photoshop in terms of the ways that we would bring pictures into the program. There are two ways we can bring it in. We can create a new file, which is a new canvas at whatever dimensions or size we want. Or we could just go open and then the canvas takes the size of the picture being imported. So to test that out, let's do new file first. So we click on new file. At this point you can give it a name. I'll call it test 1. We can give it a size, usually is in inches. We can give it a size and a height, width and height, and a resolution. Usually we go 300, and we usually go background contents transparent. And the reason we usually go transparent is because if you select a white background, it's hard to tell what's the background and what is your object. So after that we click create. Now we still haven't imported a picture into the project. What we've done is we set the dimensions of our canvas. Let's start bringing a picture in. You do that by going File, Place Embedded, and then go back to your different drives. I'm going to click on this PC and it lists your different drives. It looks different here because I'm doing it at home, but you know the regular places, groups, storage, where you would save. So we'll go into our One Touch and Photos, and I'll take a look at one of these pictures. If you want to see these pictures larger, click on the drop down, go to extra large, and you have different options to see them. You have large, you have medium, small icons, list, which is general, details, tell information of how big the picture is, what type of file it is, when it was edited, created, and tiles, and we have content. So what we will do is we usually go into extra large. I'm going to take the first picture that we have right here and double click and it comes in. Notice that the 10 by 10 canvas we created doesn't fit the size of the picture, and there's a couple things we can do. You can go to the move tool and make sure that the show transform controls is selected. If it is not, you will not get the little handles on the corners and in the middle of each one, so I highly recommend that you click on that. You can drag out your picture, but you will be cutting off some areas of the picture. At this point you can move it left and right, but you can't move it up or down. Okay, the other option, we're going to cancel that, is for you to get rid of the outside background area by going to Image and trimming it. So what it will do is it will trim the pixel area, transparent pixel area right here. You could tell it to trim from the left, trim from the right, top, bottom, trim away. We're just gonna, all the background will go. So click OK. There we go. So that's the first method of bringing in a picture. The second one is to go File, Open, and you can do that from the main screen as well. So open, we'll bring in a separate picture, and now as you can see when the picture comes in, there are no background pixels or squares showing. The canvas takes the size of the picture. Okay, we hope you learned a bit here today about how to bring pictures into your projects. And again, the first way is to create the canvas size, and the second way is just to bring the picture in, and it will take the canvas, will take the size of your picture. Thank you for listening. Please wait for the next video.